All right. Hopefully, you had a chance to share a little bit about what you thought of Young Ju's Rings of Culture on slide 18. The rest of our time is going to be dedicated to a few different things. We are going to have you read the following chapters. These are the last chapters, so read all the way through the epilogue to this book called Hands. It's 5 chapters that we'll have you read for today. As you read, of course, you're going to want to continue to do your active reading post-its. Now, I didn't get a chance to check those from today, and I'm not going to check today's. We'll just not do that. But I do want to check next class. So I want to check what you've done from these 5 chapters next class. So clear out your blue sheet, start some new post-it notes for these final chapters. And then we'd like you to complete the quote analysis on slides 19 and 20 of your interactive notebook. Here's a quote from the story. You probably haven't read this yet. It's somewhere within the chapter called Seeds of Life. But once you've read that chapter, you may want to get to this quote. We've done these quote analyses before, and you'll just have a chance to respond on slide 20. The last thing we're going to have you do after you've read those chapters is to do this character analysis work here. There's some directions up at the top if you want to listen, but you're going to choose a character from the book. Think a little bit about what that character was like at the beginning of the book. Choose an adjective to describe that character at the beginning of the book, and then an adjective that describes them at the end of the book, and then what caused that change. You're going to do that 2 different times with the same character. So what's one way that this character was at the beginning of the book, and how are they different at the end, and what caused that shift in how they were. See if you can do that twice with a single character. Once you've got all that done, that'll be what we'd ask you to do for next class. So we'll be done with the book and ready to kind of think about a summative next time. Send me an email if you got any questions. I can help you out, but really I just want to give you this time to read and get this work done. And please make sure that you're staying in your color zones and quietly doing that work. Thanks very much.